Now, paragraph tag is something that you have already seen when we have like a bunch of content. We can use paragraph tags. Let me get something about Tom Cruise. Now we'll have a Wikipedia. We'll have some content about Tom Cruise. I just need some content without links. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, let me try this. At least 2 lines of this paragraph, but it simply, it shouldn't go over your screen, so you could even have more content here. So let me just copy this again just to add more content, but before that, let's see what this does to the page. So you see, I have this in 2 lines, but the space that's in the code and the space here is not the same. So even after the dot, this keeps going, right? So it doesn't takes the break. You actually going to the second line, but all the browser will look at is there is a space. After that, this is the content. So the browser will not take this as the next line. So let me try this again. I copy this and make this like 4 lines. Now the browser just it just goes till here, and then it again gets the content from here. So even this space and this next line is not considered. So it just starts from here. So the space and the lines, the space obviously is being considered. Even if you keep a space here, it will be considered, but the next line will not be considered. So paragraph is, as the name suggests, it is being used for paragraphs and large sentences.